Alright guys, so I'm working on taking apart more of it. Really just got the bumper to take it, the front bumper to take it here. And then I gotta take those light sockets out somehow. I'm not really sure how. I tried a little bit, but I'll try some more. Got one side apart already. Now I've just gotta take apart the other side. A little note to us when we were putting it back together. This bolt that has the little like fat washer or spacer goes under the bar. So just so we have that. Let me get in this, I'll take it apart here. Let me hold this. Put those aside. Actually, I know I gotta take them out before we send it out, but just for now, before I can get them in a bag, so I don't lose them. And then this upper bolt here can't get the impact on it, so I've got to use a ratchet. Break that loose. But you get a good point, so I'll show you when I'm all done.